What's up guys, I hear 120 here. Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday unboxing video. Today I have a new phone. First I had the Galaxy S10 Plus, then the Note 10 Plus that I broke, and then the current one I have, and now I'm trading this one in for the all new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. With my lovely assistant, my girlfriend. Ooh. It's so much thicker than mine. Can I? Oh wow. That's nice. Alright, we're gonna put the phone to the side right now. Now we're gonna see what's in the accessories box. We got a little cover. Come with the what is this, 25-watt charger. I have mine from my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it's the same. This should be, oh, are there headphones? There are wireless. Oh no, there are no headphones in this phone unboxing. Okay, so whenever you get it, there will not be any headphones. And over here you got your SIM ejector tool, and in here it should be all of your warranty and terms papers over here. But enough about that. Let's get to the phone with the first initial startup. First of all, this thing's huge. This is huge. Alright, let's turn it on for the first time. Look at that, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Now that is a lot of wording. And it should boot up very, very fast. What do you think of the phone?
It's very nice.
Alright.
I'd say it's better than iPhone, but it's
She's
nice.
an iPhone lover, so you know how that goes. Always better than everyone else. But anyway, alright. Oh, here you go. So here we got the setup. Let's go check out some of the info to get started. Okay, everyone who cares, you just go through all the terms. I had to put in my my Wi-Fi password, so I'll be right back. Alright, I just signed into my Wi-Fi. Here's next. Checking for updates, installing updates, all that good jazz. Alright, I'm at the copy apps and data screen, so I will return after the phone is fully set up. Alright, here are the two phones. Can you tell the difference? Me neither. So right now I'm shooting on an iPhone because my mom is not here, so I cannot use her Note 9. So I have to use this phone. But anywho, so this is my Note 20 Ultra. Whenever you pull it down, this is how it looks. This is how it's presented to you. With the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, when you pull it down, this is how it looks. This is how it's presented to you. It's all blacked out. Note 20 Ultra, Note 10 Plus. You can see what's the difference. I believe this has the UI 3. And I'll see if I can find the software information. 3. When you click on the build version, this is what it is. Go to settings here. Software information. This is 10. Android 10, Android 11. I do not know what this is, but I did get it to do little Easter eggs from back in the past. That's about it. And also settings. This is how the settings page looks. The widgets look different. And on the regular, it looks just like the old one. And you flip it over, you have the giant camera here. Oh my goodness, I wish I had the specs for y'all, but I'm not really that prepared. But you got 3 of the cameras. This is the 50 times zoom. I know that for fact. Everyone should know that one. This is like a laser sensor, the flash. I think one of them is if I'm correct, 108 megapixel. I don't really remember. I have to look up the specs. But that's it should be found in other videos. I just solely want to do an unboxing. So, and this is the Note 10 Plus. You got 3 cameras, a little smaller. Obviously this is the 20 Ultra, so the quality of the cameras are better than this one. You still got the sensors in the camera, sensors and the light. The Samsung logo drop down to the bottom, and it's textured too, so that's pretty cool. Manufactured in Vietnam, and this one is under the glass, you know. And that's about it. Oh, and the concern I have about the Ultra, and I think other people do too, is the screen quality. The screen quality on the Note 10 Plus and even the Note 20, I think Plus, no, just the regular Note 20, is better than the Note 20 Ultra, and I forgot about that. It's all washed out. The colors doesn't pop, and as you can see here, the colors pop out a lot. Let me see if I can somehow find like some sort of dynamic wallpaper. I don't want it to select it. Well, I can't really do it. But yeah, you can see if you look closely, this is, well, camera doesn't do it justice, but the Note 10 Plus is definitely much brighter and vivid, there's the word, much vivid than the Note 20 Ultra. But nonetheless, I used the phone for a day now, and I like it. You know, it fits comfortably in my hand. You know, I gotta get used to the fear of dropping my phone and the glass on the camera module possibly shattering. Hopefully not. I do have a case. Where is my case? Oh my goodness, I don't know how to pause on an iPhone. Bear with me, please. This is the case that I ordered, with the huge camera module cut out. I want to get a clear one. And I have ordered a D brand skin. So maybe I'll make a video on that. If you want to see that, you can leave a comment down below. But this is my last day with this phone. So I'm going to trade this in, the Samsung, and this will be no more. This will be my next phone for maybe 3 years, because I just updated phone like I don't know what. But that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching this Tech Tuesday unboxing video, and I hope to see you in the next video soon. Tahir 120 out. Peace.